Well, this is what I do. I put it in the air fryer for like 25 minutes, 20 minutes. And then I take it out and I put it in the mayo. This is covered in butter, so. And then you slather it on. The mayo, it's got lime in it, the mayo. What is the proper way of doing it? And then I put it in the cheese, which I put some of this in it, into the cheese. This is the Mexican cheese. And then you powder it to death with that cheese. There you go. And that's it. Do this while it's nice and hot. Got to turn this off. Oh God, my thumb still hurts. Okay, guys, I'm doing this one. So, this is how you do it. That's simple. It's so good. You gotta try it.